came across this airplane. It was Stan Cook's from Sheboygan, Wisconsin. I talked to him back in the early 70s at Oshkosh, and I said, if you ever wanted to sell this airplane, to let me know. And I was just a young guy then, and I never thought that I'd be owning this airplane. We decided to restore this airplane. So we ended up building this hangar at Antique Aerodrome and brought this airplane down and started the restoration. So the first thing is we took it all apart and found out it was never restored, it was just recovered from new. So we took the whole thing all apart and of course started sandblasting the fuselage, took everything off and then just started adding pieces on from there. Made all new doors, new door frames. We had made a new firewall out of stainless, a new boot cowl, had made new wheel pants, and recovered it. The interior is done exactly the way it was done when it was brand new. We had the seats still had the original leather on, and I had a good friend of mine down at worked for Gulfstream that did the interior for me. And we worked together, and I wanted to do it exactly the way it was done at the factory. So we came out and did an excellent job on it. Paint is one of Stinson's original designs. They had several back in the 30s, but this is the one I chose because the reason is because it was easy to paint the wings. I didn't have to make one big sweep with the red to cover the whole wing to keep it wet. And so we went with this paint scheme with the black leading edge, black trailing edge, and otherwise it's original scheme. The colors I chose were black, and the red is off of I got the color off of a 35 Harley Davidson. So I had it specially blended for me. It's very comfortable. I mean, it's one of the most comfortable airplanes I've ever flown. And you can set it up on trim and it'll stay straight as an arrow in rough weather, just straight. Beautiful, beautiful airplane.